Use these ultra-specific prompts to 10x your creativity. This is my prompts playbook that actually works. Whether you're using ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, whatever. I spent months perfecting this for marketing. And here's what I've realized. Most people are not squeezing the juice out of these tools smart enough. They're typing in vague prompts, hoping for magic, rewriting the same thing over and over, trying to get better at talking to AI. But here's what nobody tells you. It's not about getting better at prompting. The best don't spend time crafting prompts at all. They build it just once and now they never think about it again. Copy, paste, done. That's the prompt library system. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Rashid. I'm a growth marketer with over 9 years in the trenches, helping you make sense of marketing now in the AI economy, without losing sight of the fundamentals. I've built this system and now I'm 10x more creative in half the time. Not because I've got better at AI, but because I've removed the need to be good at it. In this video, I'm breaking down the 6-part anatomy of an ultra-specific prompt and how you can organize your own prompt library, and the one trick that makes AI ask you questions instead of you struggling to explain what you want. So, let's dive in. So, ultra-specific prompts to 10x your creativity. This is my AI chatbot playbook. By chatbot, I mean Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, whatever, that you, your team, or your own customers can use. I spent months perfecting ChatGPT for marketing, but this can work on any chatbot. In this video, I'll quickly share how you can use ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, whatever, collaboratively to save loads of time and become 10x more creative every week, and how you can do the same by having something called a prompt library. So let's step back for a second. Why did I create a prompt library in the first place? 1, efficiency. Many people on the team had independently used ChatGPT to create their own copy and paste prompts and never shared it with the entire team. Some clients did the same. And number 2, adoption, right? Despite the magic that ChatGPT and AI in general can do, many people never used it at all. It turns out that this is not only a company problem. Many companies out there, from searching on YouTube and LinkedIn, that dedicate entire roles to advocating the use of AI tools in marketing teams. Knowing this, I started building standardized prompts for everyone to use. So next is the anatomy of a good prompt. So as you know, the secret to winning with ChatGPT is being ultra specific, right? Each of the prompts I use has 2,000 plus words. They all have the same structure, no matter the goal. Content writing, idea brainstorming, and so on, right? Here's how my ultra specific prompts are structured. 1, your company name and industry. So this is obviously good for context. Sometimes I even see ChatGPT looking up our own company website online, but it's really important to add those fields. Number 2, your target audience. Super important to lay out your personas. GPT will give vastly different results for different audiences. Number 3, the task. Here, you describe what you want the result to look like. Number 4, your voice and tone. These are the specific instructions for how you'd like ChatGPT to write the result. So for written content, like posts on social media and so on, this means voice and tone, right? But for other outputs, it can be different kinds of instructions. What you want to ask, is there anything specific that might help direct ChatGPT to the characteristics you're aiming for? Number 5, past examples. So this is key, yet most people skip it. If you want ChatGPT to write good content, you must give good examples. There's no way around this. You can upload screenshots and so on, right? It's so easy and convenient to do these days. But what you really want to do is give references from your own success so GPT learns what works specifically for you. And lastly, number 6, confirmation. This is the secret sauce. Here we ask ChatGPT if the task is clear and if we may continue. And only after the chat says all clear, we provide specific context about our current ask. Now, the secret to winning adoption, whether it's in a team or with clients, is that no one has to edit the prompt to use it. Basically, after you finish creating your prompts, there should be no edit this placeholders. The entire prompt should be copy, paste, and forget about it. Once you paste it, the chat asks you questions about your specific project. This is part number 6 of the structure, and this is what makes our entire team actually use this system so much more. This is what the chat answers after we copy and paste the prompt. So here you can use my ultra specific prompt template. You can steal it here. Take a screenshot. Just remember to fill in the blanks, which are the placeholders, in the details before you send the prompts over to people. It's your job to include all the details about your brand's voice and tone, target audience, and past examples for references. The key is getting a close to 100% adoption rate in the team, or if you're working with clients as well. Again, if you're feeling lazy, screenshot it, upload it to ChatGPT, and ask it to turn it to text for you to copy and paste and edit it in a Google Doc or Word doc or whatever. Part 3, building that prompt library. Now that we have the prompts, you'll want to create a prompt library. I started by asking people what are the most repetitive tasks that require creativity but can be replicated and where AI can assist us. I started getting answers. They mentioned repetitive tasks like writing landing page content for a particular ICP, headlines and leading copy for ads, drafting cold emails, and so on and so forth. I then built a lot of prompts based on the structure I showed you, and I organized them on a Notion page. I created very simple setup. My team members and other people that I know only need to answer one-step questions to use it, which is, what are you working on? So the homepage of this playbook has only one click, what I'm working on. To get their prompt, users just select that, what they're working on, and then they get a mini playbook for that topic. That's where all the prompts are. For example, if you're working on a webinar, the playbook will guide you through webinar setup, promotion, repurposing content after the session. And each prompt on each use case is different. Once you click on each, you get a copy and paste prompt. That's it. Simple as that. This is never one and done. You want to keep it and keep updating the playbook and finding new ideas for prompts. Always be listening and spotting new problems that prompting can solve. Update the people you share this with every month or so and invite them to suggest new prompts. For example, if someone suggests something, work with them to understand exactly what output they expect and what they've done manually in the past. Keyword, manually in the past. So yeah, that's a very simple way to do it. The next step really is to create our own custom GPTs. The capabilities of custom GPTs are insane. They can remove the need for a prompt library. But again, we're focused on adoption rates. Keyword, adoption. And right now, having a prompt library is the best way to go. Custom GPTs will likely lead to fewer people using them. Fewer people, despite being more convenient, right? It's funny how the human brain works. Want access to my library structure and prompt setup for your team? While I can't share the actual library, it's easy to set up and replicate based on my instructions, where you can grab a copy in the link below. And yes, disclaimer, it's a paid product. I spent hours on this, okay? My heart and soul. So it's worth the money, trust me. So yeah, I hope you find this video useful and helpful. If you do like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.